My name is Destoka. I be comedian. I funny. I'll try my best. I get 2 minutes and I know I'll be really tough for short time. Yeah. Because this country, the way it is now. This country, when I go MC Crusade, they bring native doctor. I say, Pastor, what native doctor they do? He said, I go whole ring. I say, for church, he said, my brother, even Bible talker, give what belong to Caesar to Caesar. Feel very free, the country don't hard though. I just finished my show for Benin. Now, now they try for Lagos now. See Lagos, people they buy table. Lagos Benin I do show. If you give, they say, okay, now the table will be this 1 million. They say I'm as invitation. Say no worry, we will spray you that day. People wait does that, don't show down. All right, let's do this, and I'll drop the mic. We're very free. I swear in the name of God, the short time I will spend here, everything I will say, they are all lies, okay? All right, you know, say get the way you go day club, vintage interior. You know, say get the way you go day club, and the last song when they play for the club, go day your hair here. As they come outside, you go this say, you see they hear the song. DJ, play Focus. Hey, hey.
I do my voice on this beat.
Oh yeah. One of my guy go club, he go club. I see they dance for the club. He know they come outside from the club. Now say they dance come outside. And you know say as a man, if you lodge for hotel, you not carry woman, they know they quick break. So DJ, let's go. The guy they come outside from the club, they drive. DJ wait. And you know say normally this dance, now in bedside dance. Normally you just see bed. So as the guy the dance come outside, one in bedside runs get. He there outside, they do like this. So the idiot thought he said the guy they dance the same thing with her. I just tell the girl, let's go. Now the girl follow. He no, say na in bedside in carry. You know this new Benz, as you just start and your music will just play. So as the girl enter, now so the girl they follow and reach out, the girl he get where you drive reach, now he tap the girl, you are so friendly. And there's something about sex, immediately you release, you realize. Am I communicating? Hello? You know, say my guy, the guy don't release around 3:15 a.m. He go peace. As he come outside, he see duvet. They do that. Now from back, he draw the duvet. And all this investors, they're not they sleep, because they sleep, they go normal. So as he just draw the duvet, now the guy smile with her. Waiting shock me now. The guy asked the girl, how did you get here? He said, you did fuck. Anybody when they tell you say education has scam, avoid them. My friend when they catch for Aja with Igbo is bailable offense. Igbo, if they catch you with Igbo, it's bailable offense. Because he no go school. The next morning, they say me a right statement. It's down there who get murder case. You know say call copy murder case. As I talk to you now, in this jail now, for bailable offense. Bailable offense. And somebody tell you say education. Now scam. I'll do this and I'll drop the mic. They say no time. Abi? Feel free. See this Lagos one with this. You don't read though. You don't read. I know what I talk. All the people went to see me come this island now. Their number no they go. This Lagos be like, you know say, poverty be like WhatsApp group. If you poor and your friends poor, you get the way they did. Now I make poor men, they give excuse for rich man. Now poor man be the problem of poor man. Poor man go call another poor man as he no pick, say leave am. Bless say the fuck. Poor man. But call rich man no pick. Go dey meeting. Sister, now we dey give excuse for rich men. Where lucky babe? Where okay, oh, who bring native doctor? You don't go abi? Where now? Oh, you dey hire native doctor. Native doctor for worry. No, if I talk to you, I could be like saying a poor type of joke. Listen to me. The worst thing that will happen to you is to friend a lady or friend any woman that is cheating on you with vibrator. Any woman when they used to dido, you cannot satisfy that woman. Especially the woman because they use vibrator when they use Duracell battery. I date one girl for Chevron. I don't know, say the girl, they use vibrator. A homie, Sheila, a homie, go de lay. I go do. The girl go they look me. You know, say when my daughter tired, go they bring different style. And all these girls, they know, they understand psychology. When you don't they tired, they don't know, so you don't they tired. They will say, don't tell me you are tired. Useless men, you know what make the girl think say you don't tired. You got to bring different style. I try and walk girl for a wedding. The girl say, what style is this? I say, snake in the monkey shadow. I did one girl for Chevron. Anytime we go do. Normally, I say, when you make good time, the girl suppose tired. So I go sleep. I go do. Now me they tired. Now me go sleep. The girl go just stand up. You don't enter bedroom. I don't know say na there in vibrator day. I go to sleep. I go there. One day as the girl just stand up, I open eye, follow him. You don't cross leg, plug vibrator. I say, me worry boy. The next day when I come, I can notice the difference between me and the vibrator. And the as I start, I put my mouth for her ear. Now I start. Good night, Lagos.
Hi, my name is Acapella. Thank you for watching. For more funny videos, do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button down below.